Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you how you can save your phone battery and at the same time how to charge it fast. So let's get started. So tips number 1 is, first of all, you go to your phone setting option. You can go it. Then after that, find the vibration option there. I find it. Click it. And now turn off these two options from here. You can see mute is already off, and the two options, vibrate when silent, is turn off, and vibrate when ringing, turn off. Now tips number 2 is, again go to the setting option, find the Wi-Fi option. I find it, my Wi-Fi option. Go to the Wi-Fi option and go to the advanced settings. Here the advanced settings. This is the advanced settings, and you can go now. Now turn off this scanning always available option. Turn off it. Back. So tips number 3 is, drag down your phone's display from the top like this and drag the notification to the side like this. Go to this setting option and disable the notifications. Confirm it. Tips number 4 is, you always use black wallpaper on your phone. Always use the phone in dark mode. I already use it, the dark mode. It will protect your eyes. After that, you switch off your phone and wait for a while. After switch off the phone, after that, press the top volume button and power button together. And now restart your phone. Now you can see the change. I promise you, you will see your phone change within few days. Your phone's battery will often back up and charge quickly. Subscribe to learn more.